Hey everybody, Jessica here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. It is currently week 49 of the project, and I'm here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm going to take you into the North Raleigh Ministries. If you're local to the area, this is right off of Strickland Road. I've never been here before, so I'm going to take you inside. I will show you around a little bit, and like always, I'll show you anything that I purchase at the end of the video. And let me know down in the comments section what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I would love to hear your answers. This was definitely the type of thrift store where you want to spend probably more than an hour in, because there's a lot to look at. And I feel like there's a lot of treasures that you can find here if you just dig a little bit. So I saw this Pyrex piece and I thought it was really pretty and I was gonna buy it, and then I noticed the big crack on the side. So I came across this random pig head, and I think he's supposed to be maybe the top to a cookie jar. I didn't see a price on it. I did walk around and look to see if I could find the other piece to this, but I didn't have any luck. So I found this rather odd basket with googly eyes, and I'm confused on what it was. I kind of thought it was a pig. It looks like it has a snout, but then again it could be a rabbit. I really wish I wouldn't have opened this perfume bottle here because it was full and it was kind of leaking, and my hands smelled like this perfume for the rest of the day, even after washing my hands. I came across this really interesting little music box. I looked it up and it was from the 1940 to 50s era. Unfortunately, I could not get it to play, but I thought it was a pretty cool little find. So I purchased 3 items today and I spent a grand total of $3.22. So now I'm going to show you what I got. The first item that I purchased was the adorable little strawberry vintage tray. It was an orange tag, so it happened to be 50% off, so I got it for $1. And I'm actually going to save this for a Project Thrift 52 giveaway. I will be announcing all of the details on week 52. I will have a few items in the giveaway that I have collected through the entire year of this project, so stay tuned for that. The next item that I purchased is a vintage inspired coffee mug, and it says I woke up like this. I paid $1 for this, and it's made by the Royal Stafford Company, and it's made in England. So 40 weeks ago on week 9, I thrifted a very similar mug, and it happens to be one of my favorite ones. And it says, drink coffee, do stupid things faster with more energy. And it's also made by the same company. So now I have a pair of vintage inspired mugs that I absolutely love. And the last item that I purchased was the little pig oink glass. This was also $1. And I decided to display it in my curio cabinet that I have. I did redo this area a little bit, and I have different collections on different shelves. So as you see at the top, I have my vintage My Little Pony collection, and underneath that I have most of my thrifted pig collection here. I do have some randomly around my house, but most of my collection is in here. So that is it, guys. That is all that I found on today's thrifting trip. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you back for week 50.